Hello guys, it is Tori. Welcome back to part 2 of the moving vlogs. I'm about to pack my car to the best of my ability. Basically my family for the most part moved out already today. So I'm the only one who's left here and I need to get basically everything else in my car, which is so much stuff, and make sure that there's room for little Miss Bailey girl. Look at her. She's like, I did something naughty. She's not happy. She knows that something's going on. She doesn't know what it is. But I gotta make sure that her kennel will fit, which I measured it. Hopefully it still fits. But yeah, I'm gonna go start packing my car to the best of my ability. Mainly in this vlog, there will be me actually moving into the new room, decorating, setting things up, and then the next video will probably be a room tour. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. But with all of that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below. I do now have an Amazon storefront and I have all kinds of things on there. Car decor, beauty stuff, room decor, like things I've been buying, books. So go check that out and let's get started. Okay guys, so it is officially moving day. I'm feeling very stressed and very emotional, trying not to cry. I'm about to go into work. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna try and get out as soon as possible. I don't have any clients or anything today, so there's just not really any point in me staying here very long. This is what my car currently looks like. I can barely see out of my back window. But I'm gonna go into work and then I guess I'll be back with you guys either when I'm on the road or when I already get there. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little stressed. I'm a little not feeling the best right now. Okay guys, we are on the road on the way to our new home. You can see Bale's back there. We got about a 3-hour drive. So it's 3 o'clock right now. We should get there around 6. I'm sorry it's loud, the window's down so that she doesn't get sick. But I don't really know what I'm gonna do tonight. Probably just get everything out of my car that I possibly can and either unpack a little bit or wait till tomorrow. I don't know. I'm exhausted already. I left work right around 1 o'clock. I'm supposed to stay till 4:30, but I left really early because of this. But that's kind of what's going on. I will let you know when there's something new to update on. Okay, we are in the new room. It is absolutely trashed. And in the process of getting here, Bailey threw up at least 6 times and it was all over my car and all over her. So she got a bath. Oh, you're laying down. But the first thing I want to do is unbox all of my packages. So I have 2 from Etsy and 1 big one from Amazon. But the big one from Amazon doesn't even look like it's gonna be big enough. I think this is a poster that I bought, but I'm not even fully sure. Avery's here, by the way, but she's hiding. Yeah, she's back there. I ordered this. Oh, I'm so excited. Wait for the back. All too freaking well, and every lyric on the song. Look.
Wow.
And that's so freaking cute. Amazon box. Okay, first Amazon box. I promise there will be more to come. I got a pink laptop case for my Mac. I bought 2 books, not 1, but 2. I bought Archer's Voice, which I've seen all over TikTok. And then this one says, Don't Be in Love. And the only reason I bought this is because it says, for the romance readers who listen to Taylor Swift music, obsess over Pride and Prejudice, and like to march as if we need another romance. So there's like a bunch of like song lyrics and stuff from Taylor in here, which is why I bought it. I bought a new remote for my TV because there isn't one apparently. And then I bought this, which is a vinyl holder for all my vinyls. Oh, because I'm a vinyl girl apparently. And then lastly from Amazon is my sheets, which I need to wash. They are the most beautiful silk chocolate brown. I'm so excited. They're gonna look so good with my comforter, which I also need to wash. So that's everything from Amazon. And then my other Etsy package. Oh, I'm so excited. I have one more poster from Etsy coming in the mail. It just hasn't shipped yet. It is an All Too Well short film movie poster, because like how the fuck could you not? It's a little smaller than I expected, but she's still fucking cute. I love that. That was a good pick on my part. Very cutie. That is everything that I have for now. There will probably be more. Avery and I are gonna do lots of cleaning and organizing. This is gonna take a long time, so we got snacks and stuff. But that's my little update for now in my home. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just want to quickly say I got a haircut a few days ago. I got layers. Let me know how we feel. I kind of love them. I also got my bangs trimmed up. My blowout's not looking as good after the day I've had. Avery and I went out for lunch, and then we went grocery shopping. I didn't do a grocery haul just because there's a lot going on at my house, but for future vlogs I definitely want to do grocery hauls because I think they're so much fun. Avery and I put my bedding on, which you guys saw. I am now gonna just continue the cleaning and organizing process. Avery did go home, so I think I'm going to attempt to tackle finishing my closet, cleaning my makeup drawers, and putting some of my makeup away. I don't think it's all gonna fit because I did used to have another set of drawers, but I'm going to do my best. So that is the update for now, and I'm just gonna keep on showing you guys what happens as we go. Also, I'm listening to One Direction radio on my TV, and the first song to play was Harry, so this was definitely a good like playlist to pick. I don't know, I'm like so excited that I have a TV now. Last night her and I watched Burlesque, and then the backup plan with J-Lo in it. So good. If you've never seen it, you definitely should. But little Bailey girl is just taking a little nap, and I'm gonna just keep on cleaning. morning, guys. Today is Sunday, I believe the 31st of not August. Oh my god, July. My days are so messed up. But I got up a few hours ago. I had some breakfast. I had my brother bring down more boxes that were too heavy for me to get. It's mostly just my shoes and stuff, so I'm gonna try and finish that today. I'm just trying to get as many boxes done as possible, and then like a bunch of my decor and stuff I need to like put in one box and just lay it out and just see what I have. I'm gonna try, I don't even know, I'm just gonna try and get what I can done today, but that's the plan. That's all I got. So I made some lunch. I showed you guys kind of what I was doing, but it's like tomato, zucchini, Alfredo. I don't really know, but I'm like super hungry, so I'm really excited to eat it. I definitely made way too much, so I'll probably be having that either for dinner or for lunch tomorrow. But I'm gonna watch Love Island and eat, just take a little break from everything, and then I'm just gonna keep going. I feel like I'm finally actually making some progress, which makes me feel really good. There's just like stuff out of place, and I need to like figure out what decor I want out and where I want it. But I'm gonna eat my lunch, watch my Love Island, and then we will get back to the whole moving process. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, August 1st. I am getting ready for the day because Avery and I are going to a bookstore that is kind of far away. It's a half-price bookstore, and they have like books and vinyls and magazines and CDs and all kinds of like that kind of fun stuff. So it looks like it might rain outside, which I'm like not really thrilled about, but because if you don't know, I'm terrified of storms. Don't make fun of me. It is just a thing. I've always been that way. I've always been scared of storms. I don't know what it is, but I'm petrified of them. But we're gonna go to the bookstore, and then if there's like a Target or something, we'll probably go there too. And then I also need to go to a T-Mobile store and get a new phone plan set up. Because I'm a big girl, you know, and those are kinds of things that we have to do. But I'm just doing a little bit of makeup. I'll show you guys my outfit before I leave. Since it's August 1st and it is kind of chilly out, I went a little bit of fall vibes. I really want to wear my Docs, but I'm not sure if I will or not, because my black ones are my favorite ones, but they're kind of hard to drive in So like maybe I would have to like wear my sandals and bring my dogs. That is all for now. I'm gonna watch some Friends and get ready for a very nice little day adventure. Her and I love doing stuff like this. I mean, I know that we're gonna be exhausted when we get back, but we're going to a freaking bookstore. And if you don't know me, I'm a huge reader. You can see my cutie bookshelf here. Look how cute she is. I love her so much. I think she turned out so well. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm also gonna look at the vinyls because I would like to add to my little vinyl collection. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing this video and I realized I kind of just left you guys hanging. After that day, like not a whole lot of room stuff has happened. I mean, I've definitely still continued to organize and move things around, but I kind of just took a break from filming and just really focused on everything I have going on. My life has been very crazy recently, but I did get a new tattoo and I really wish I would have taken you guys on that because it would have been a lot of fun, but I will insert pictures because I'm obsessed with it and there's already so many more that I want to get. But that's kind of the end of the moving vlogs. I definitely am going to continue to do vlogs because I really enjoy vlogging, so I'd like to do weekly vlogs every once in a while. And then there will be a room tour coming soon. Give me probably a few more weeks here to really start college and my new job. I did get a job. My first day is Monday, is it the 15th maybe? And my first day of college is the 24th, so there's just a lot happening for me right now. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this new adventure and some of the new content I have coming. And with all that being said, make sure you check out all my socials down below and my Amazon storefront. There's so many fun things on there. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you lovely people next time. Bye guys!